Okay, so today I just want to talk a little bit about how to change materials on things like walls. It really is like universal, so you can do it on whatever. But right now I'm just going to talk a little bit about walls and siding, some things like that. So we're just going to go onto our walls, and we're going to come up here to edit type. We're going to want to duplicate this, and we're just going to put this as this is going to be our main wall just for the outside. You can name it whatever you want, of course, it doesn't really matter. So next, to change, we're going to change quite a few things in here. So we're going to go into structure. We're going to click edit. First of all, I want it to be 6 inches. So we're going to go into that. And we're going to type in, we want it to be 6 inches, which is fine. Also, I'm going to want another layer just as siding. So click insert, and that'll put in another layer, and then click up. We're going to want it on the very outside, so it's going to be at the top. As far as thickness goes, 1 inch will be just fine for this. You can go, 3/4 of an inch, half inch, whatever you want. So next we're going to, so what I want is I want siding on the outside, and I want like a white interior on the inside. So we have to change the structure of this one. We're going to go, for right now, we're just going to do the siding. So we're going to come in here and find a siding that we want. There's not really anything that I like in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to just click on one random one. That's fine. And we're going to duplicate it. And we're just going to make our own material or like upload it from somewhere else. So this one's going to be our siding. I'm not really sure what we're going to pick yet. So let's put siding for now. Next, you're going to want to come into this little box down here. It's like a little box with a blue top, and it'll pull up this um, little text box of all these different things. It's pretty handy. So right now I want to look up a siding. So let's just look up siding, see what it comes up with for us. So we got wood shingles, horizontal, beige, clapboard. We got quite a few different things. So now you can see it has a ton of different things. For this one, shiplap's going to be fine. So we're going to put that, if you just double click it, or you can click this little button right here on the corner and it'll load it into the project. So as you can see, it's pulled up right here. And this is now siding because we named it earlier. So this is really dark. You can change the color if you want. I'm going to leave it just because that's, maybe I'll move it up a little bit. It won't make a huge difference though. And you click OK. You're going to get all the way out of these text boxes. Zoom out, and as you can see, we now have the siding on it. It looks kind of bad, but it's fine. It was just an example. Um, so that's how you edit it. Of course, you can go inside. You can make literally whatever you want. They have a bunch of different things, different sidings, whatever you can load into. So it makes it pretty easy to get whatever you want. That's really it that I wanted to show.